welcome to Melissa Crafts. Today I'll show you how to make a hot glue waterfall, and you'll need some rocks I bought from the store, a piece of cardboard, and blue paper. Some glue too. Now let's get started. Yeah! You need to cut out these two papers the same size as you want. And you'll need these and stack them on each other like this, and they'll be for the waterfall, and we'll have to glue them together. Then don't worry if there's little gaps from the paper. We'll be covering that with the rocks. And now let's do it now. This is a pond, and that's why there's rocks all around it. We'll put a waterfall here, so it'll look like the water from the waterfall is dumping into the pond. And now we're done making the outside of the pond with rocks. We need to stack the rocks in one corner, and that's where our waterfall is going to be. And now I'm gonna make some water texture in the middle, and I'm gonna do that by making circles and circles with the hot glue. And you could go by layers and layers of hot glue till you think it looks like water. For the next step, we'll need to find a marble counter in your house and use your hot glue gun to make the waterfall. And don't do it as firm and make some holes in it. After it dries, peel it off carefully. First, you need to see the size of your waterfall, if it fits, and if it doesn't, just cut a little off. And second, you're gonna glue the front of the waterfall on the rocks, and then glue the bottom part to the pond. And now we're done. You can add some leaves, flowers, or some plants on the rocks, or you could just leave it like this, like me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!